Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you and show you the easiest method to change your country and region in your Steam account. First, you have to open Urban VPN, which is a free VPN to use, and then type the name of the country that we want, and after that you connect to it. Now, we have to wait a little bit and then make sure that Steam is closed. We have to relaunch Steam. We go, search for Steam and open it again. After opening Steam, we have to go and click on cart as if we are buying a new game. For this example, I have chosen the GTA 5 game. We go to the country section and then move it from the current country to the country that you've chosen in the VPN. And make sure to click on yes, my billing address is in the name of the new country that you've chosen in the VPN. Note, one or more of the items below have changed in price since you added it to your cart. The price of this item has changed. Now we are sure that this method is really working and the country of our Steam account is changing. That's it guys, very simple.